guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm taking the kids to Chuck E. Cheese and I have to get ready to go super quick, so I thought this would be the perfect time to sit down and film with you my quick go-to out the door makeup look when I just want to look a little bit better but I'm not looking to be like full glam. So we're gonna jump right into it and I'm gonna head right into primer. Okay, so while I'm going ahead and priming my skin, by the way, I'm taking the No Problem primer. I've been loving this stuff. It's just really refreshing and I noticed that it does blur a little bit in my nose region, but other than that, you know, it's just a good, you know, standard primer. I think it's like 14 bucks and you can get both at Sephora and at Ulta, so it's pretty accessible. Then I go straight onto a concealer because I gotta cover up some of these dark circles, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take my beauty blender and just pick up a little bit of this concealer. I don't use a lot when I'm just trying to get out the door. Today's question of the day is, when you were a child, what was like your dream birthday party? I know that when I was a kid, I always wanted to go to Wild Wish for my birthday, and I think it's Redmond, Washington, maybe a little bit further north or south. I can't remember which direction, but yeah, I never got to go for my birthday, but we did go for school field trips, so that was fun. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and work on like some other areas, just concealing a little bit. I'm using a very like thin layer, so it's not like caking it on. I'm gonna be taking a little bit of foundation, and I'm gonna be taking my I'm gonna be taking the Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick. Not a lot. I usually use more than this, but I just don't need a ton. I usually use a sponge for most of my stuff when I'm like trying to run out the door, just because a sponge is really quick. I then take a little bit of a liquid highlighter. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Soft Light in the shade 30. This is really nice just for not super high impact, but just a nice healthy glow to the skin. So it's one of my favorites to go to for days like this. And I'll take it like on my nose, here, just kind of all over almost. Just really illuminate the face. I just take a little bit of a setting powder and I take it on just a brush for days like this, just a big brush. I'll put it in the lid. This is the Cover FX one. See all that powder going over it? And then I'll just lightly set the face. Nothing crazy. I'm taking my Essence Pure Nude highlighter and I'm going to be taking this. I'm going to be taking this on my Makeup Forever highlighting brush. I think this is the 156. And I'm going to just go ahead and dust that here. And then I'm going to dust it here. Just kind of go over my lids. I really just want to like illuminate my face. Just look nice and healthy. And like I got a lot of sleep, even if I didn't. I kind of skip blush on days like this, so I'm just going to go into my Marc Jacobs bronzer. I'm taking my Makeup Forever brush, the 158. I'm going to be taking this side, the non-angled side, and I'm just going to warm up my skin a little bit. Sometimes if I'm feeling a little extra, I'll take some more powder and I'll just, I feel like I want to look like I contoured. I'm going right into my Lorac Pro Palette 2. Right here, I'm just going to be picking up Light Brown and Nectar, the Sigma E40, and I'm just going to blend this into my crease. Kind of like on the outer V as well, not being too precise. Onto the lower lash line. Just to kind of combine those together so that I don't look off balance. An angled brush or like a flat brush, you know, whatever kind of is around. This is just a flat definer brush. I'm going to pick up a black eyeshadow and run it along my lash line. Not being too precise about this. And then on the lash line down here, just again not going all the way in. A pencil brush and wiggle that around just to kind of blend it out. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna curl my lashes. Go in with a little bit of mascara. Dust this powder away. So just nothing too crazy on the brows. I'm just kind of like I still want them to like look super natural. I'm just filling them in slightly. I'm not shaping them or anything like that. Because again, I want them to look more natural. Shaping them takes time. Like literally that was it. And then I just take a brow gel. This is the Essence in Brownie Brows. A little bit of color to them as well. Gotta kind of brush them up a little bit. Alright, so then I'm gonna put on some Honey Lip. This is my everyday lipstick. Then, of course, y'all, I can't leave without some highlighter, so I'm just going to take the Becca one. It's just kind of what's in front of me. And then my highlighting brush. And last but not least, you guys, set the face. Alright guys, now literally like my whole face, like when I'm just like quick go to out the door, I want to look a little bit better. That's what I do. It's super quick when I'm not instructing or telling you guys about it. It takes me like 5-7 minutes sometimes, depending on like, you know, something's not cooperating. But you know, I feel confident. I like this, you know, it's not too much. I don't look like I just rolled out of bed. And then I'll just throw my hair up in like a super quick bun. And then I'm out the door. So I know this is like a super short, quick video, but I really thought this was important to share with you guys because I'm not full glam every day. I know it seems like it because in my videos I'm always full glam, but you know, usually on either a bare face or this. But yeah, that is everything. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to answer the question of the day. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you hit the subscribe button before you leave and the notification bell next to it so you don't miss any of my uploads. And if you're returning to my channel, thank you again for tuning in. I love you guys. And I really want to thank you guys for your continuous support. It means the world to me. So that is everything. I'm going to head to Chuck E. Cheese and I will see you